welcome back to the channel. We are currently in Skyline on the way back home, just finished work. Today's the day. If you don't remember, my old black Honda Civic coupe, 1998 coupe basically, I had that, Ant wanted it, so I sold it to him. Obviously my plans are all eventually to K-swap it, which we're going to do. We're going to start today anyway. Ant's been buying all the parts we need for the past few months over the winter and all that. Now it's finally good enough weather, we can get on it. But yeah, we've got he ended up buying a whole Honda Civic Type R FN2, which we're going to just steal all the parts we want out of it, and then obviously all the rest of the bits we've got. But yeah, let's get back there. I'll show you the red FN2. We're going to harvest it for its parts. It's a shame really, because it's not a bad car, but they look funny, don't they? See, this is my first K-swap. Never done it before. I've watched lots of videos on YouTube, so I'll know roughly what to do. If you haven't seen any of the videos on the Civic before, there is a playlist on my channel where we've done like big brake kit, Type R seats, all the arms, bushes, coilovers, stuff like that. All handling really, and it just needs more power, so that's what we're going to get on today. This is the bad boy that we are harvesting just for parts. To be fair, it's decent. Nice wheels, but we'll keep all the wheels and stuff. We'll nick the seats because they're better than the EP3 ones that we got in there. Yeah. Anybody want any parts? Follow me on Instagram and message me. All we're nicking is a gearbox, engine, seats. That is coming out. We've already started destroying the front grille. They broke loads of stuff. Animals. And give it to me. Get that bumper off, bios. We have completed many things. Most of the engine is disconnected. We need to do the fuel lines. Obviously all the clutch line cables and that are disconnected. Aircon needs to be disconnected, but that's already been degassed professionally. Radiator's all drained. Need to drop the oil from the engine. Drive shafts and wheels off, obviously drive shafts out. And I believe that is pretty much it, ready to pull. Yeah, baby. Right, my little buttes. We've got it ready pretty much to pull out. All the drive shafts off, exhausters off, fuel lines, everything. All we need to do is basically put a tyre under there, engine mount, engine hoist, lower it down, and then we'll just jack the car up a bit and try and pull the engine out. But that's a tomorrow job because we need to get a hoist. We're going to try and buy one because I always borrow it off my mate, but we're doing that many engine pulls now, I might as well just buy one. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, chickens. Subframe is going to get removed because I can't bother to remove the manifold, the exhaust manifold. Hey, that was very safe and secure. Apologise for this, everybody, but they decided they wanted to just chop the front of this off so we can get the engine out. I was like, no, don't chop it up. It's a nice car, but yeah, it's destroyed. These lot of animals. Chop it, Ant. Go on, chop it. I dare you. Right, that's the last mount coming out, boyos. As you can see, we've harvested the front of this car, but now the engine can just come straight out the front. The only thing we've not took off is this, but we could take it off, but we think we'd be alright without that. Bit crusty. Go on, Oak. Booty, let's pull this thing out. 'Tis free. Free-ish. Calm down. Pull it out, pull it. Yeah, baby. Let's give it a little turn, maybe. Nice, fucking flying.
Go that side?
Yeah, you're right. Just don't worry about the paintwork. It's scratching it, but it's a good thing about not putting it back in his car. We can just scratch it past all the all the engine bay. Oh, that is completed. 1K20. Whee, whee, ching. Get that gearbox off, chickens. Shake it. Shake it. Why is it not coming off? Oh, you might have to take the clutch fork out. No, I don't think you do.
There's nothing holding it.
Right, clutch is off. Oh, yeah, clutch is off, gearbox is off. I'm gonna wang it on the engine stand, the dodgy one that we threw at the Skyline one time, but we're gonna move the car before we put it in the garden to avoid that. Let's get it on the engine stand and strip it and clean it. Now we are going to jet wash this engine because it is filth. Bit of degreaser and a bit of a jet wash. We're bunging as many holes as we can find, but we don't want to get wet. Yep. Snow foam in a K20, yo. Come on then, Rex, snow foam it. You will be on video. You're world famous now. Hey chickens, we are stripping an EJ subframe, innit?
Yeah,
EG or something like that. Yeah, an EG subframe because it makes the engine fit better in the EK Civic. But obviously it's a bit crusty, so we're going to take all the arms and all that off of it, wire wheel it all, give it a lick of paint, and then put it on the car. Okay, lower control arms are off, anti-roll bar, obviously all that. We're going to delete the power steering because we're going to turn that into, basically that's a power steering rack, but obviously it's a power steering rack, but it's, yes, hydraulic, and we're just going to delete it and have a manual rack. Trap rod ends off, going to get all new ones obviously. Ant's struggling with his side because he's an amateur. Crusting subframe bit. Right, there's the old crusty subframe. Needs a lot of decrusting. Obviously going to do all new bushes and everything, new lower control arms, everything. Full on build. All of the activities going on. Coming up chrome. We're not getting it powder coated because we're too tight.
No, we're going to
Brand spanking.
a concert, K-pop concert.
Ah, so that's before. How crusty and musty it is. I'm just doing a quick wire wheel. Got to do the whole thing now. Make it mint. Look how shiny it is, boyos! This little bar just goes across the front of the subframe for some reason. Like a little extra brace. All we did with the steering rack, wire wheeled it, and then rather than painting it, I just literally put some clear coat over the top of it so it stays a bit more protected, don't rust. Guys, as you can see, the K20's in mine, in my garden. Update. The Civic Type R, the FN2, the red one. We literally stripped all the stuff that's valuable on it. We've got all the seats basically in the shed there. There's the headlights, the tail lights, anything basically you can pull off that's easy that we can sell. Because we're going to keep the FN2 seats, put them in obviously the black Civic, and get rid of the EP3 seats. If anyone wants them, let me know on Instagram or whatever, or message me, whatever, something like that, and we'll get you sorted. But yeah, next is going to be the black Civic coming up. Rip the engine out of that, get rid of that D16 thing, sell it or whatever. Maybe we'll keep it, build it, who knows. And clean up the engine bay, paint it, and start prepping it for the K20. So like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.